Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Again, another candlesticks pattern we are going to discuss on this video. That is what more powerful candlesticks pattern where there is a reversal at the lowest level or even highest level that we are going to find out using the candlesticks pattern. So today we are going to see that is 2 days reversal pattern. So this is what also again a reversal candlesticks pattern where it is forms the top or a bottom. So can you able to see that candle? So where there is a two candlesticks where it is forms. Both are negative candles. So which forms at the bottom of the market, right? So just a second. Right? Can you able to see this candle? So this is what the reversal pattern at the bottom. Where the market is broken, this is what our stop loss when it is rallied back. And there is a incomplete dark cloud candlesticks pattern on daily. So when we know the candlesticks pattern exactly in the market, so we will find out where there is a market reversal at the highest level or lowest level. Let's so this is the candlesticks pattern we are going to study about this candle. So let's name it the candle as Homing Pigeon bullish candlesticks pattern. Let's check with Google and exactly we are going to check what that candle it is. Homing Pigeon candlesticks pattern exactly. This is the candlesticks pattern. There we are going to find out this kind of candlesticks pattern where it is forms in the market. So simple, there is a bullish reversal. So where the 2 days candle should be red and the second candle should be inside between the previous candle. So this candlesticks is called as a homing pigeon candlesticks pattern. So where someone who taken an entry at this point or someone who taken an entry at the highest level of the two candlesticks. So there is a difference between entry at the second candle or the pattern high. So we will use any one. So according to your trading style. So let's see, this is the bullish reversal at the bottom. Market is going to be reverse. So this candlesticks pattern, the homing pigeon, how to we use in our intraday or positional trading, that I'm going to discuss in this video. Just watch the video till the end. So don't skip the video to may not get some what we are discussing here, right? Okay, so instead of finding out this kind of candlestick pattern wherever it forms, right? But we don't have opportunity to follow that. But we simply use the charting scanner to create a scan. Let's go for a homing pigeon. This is what a double candlesticks reversal pattern. So let's go for a first. The first one, the first candle, that is what the latest candle should be red. Okay, the open is less than, sorry, the close of the first candle is less than the open of the first candle. So it should be red in color. Yes, right, red candle. And the second previous day candle also be red. So we are expecting 2 days red candle. The latest close, that is what 1 day ago latest close is less than the open of 1 day ago. So now we are filtering out, this will flatten those two candles were in red, right? And now where you see that second candle should be inside the body of the first candle. So inside body of the first candle, not the high and low, inside the body of the first candle. So where we are going to make that one. So the latest high, okay, the latest high must be less than the open price of 1 day ago, right? Because that today's high must be less than the open, and today's low, that is what a latest low is greater than that is low of, sorry, close, greater than 1 day ago. where we created a simple code on a charting platform, so that will plot you what are the candlesticks where it is forms kind of such a pattern very easily, and we will scan that. So first we need to be save that homing pigeon bullish. So this is what a homing pigeon bullish. Let's check it out. What are the stocks which forms kind of pattern? Now we scanned it out, and where we check that on 25th August, that is yesterday, HDFC. Let's find out HDFC, Sing Development Finance. Yes, perfect. Can we find out the candlesticks pattern at this point? So this one we are expecting for a bullish reversal. When the market is breaks above that level, so we can go for a buy. These two candle high and low. So that is what I'm discussing here. So this is what we are expecting, a bullish reversal when the market is goes above 2725 in HDFC, where we are going to long with the stop loss below 2683, so somewhere around 50 points. Okay, so this is the bullish reversal, but if we check that the bullish reversal happening at the day high, so instead of taking the day high, where we are going to find out that should be forms at a lower level. Okay, so we will focus monthly low, the low of latest. The latest low, that is the 1 day ago low, equals to, because the previous candle should be big compared to today's candle, so the 1 day ago low equals to monthly low, right? Yes, that should be a monthly low. So if you scan, you may be finding on 22nd July, we find two stocks, one is PEL and Federal Bank. Let's study about PEL. 22nd July, I think this perfect, where there is a breakout, bullish reversal. Now the market is now 2008. Somewhere around 2400, market moves towards to 2800. That is what a great candlesticks pattern. And the second one is Punjab National Bank, sorry, Federal Bank. Let's check it out. Federal Bank. Yes, this is what the candlesticks where it is forms, right? Whenever it broke on the high 86, it moves towards 90, where this risk for the trade 86 to 83, 3 rupees, and it generate you that 3 rupees profit. So once we find out such a great kind of candlesticks pattern, that will help us to find out the trade opportunity at the bottom and the top. So that is what I'm going to discuss here. So this should be the monthly low, or either any other thing. So right. So now the candlesticks homing pigeon bullish, we will save it again because we added the low criteria, and now we'll go for a 15 minutes time frame. How many stocks will filter out? This is what 15 minutes. So we may be changing whatever the time frame we want. So this is what a -1 15 minutes. Let's go for a 15 minutes of -1, and hourly time frame. So any time frame you want, you can change it the time frame simply, and we will filter out the stock which forms a kind of pattern. So that is more power to find this candlesticks pattern, and the latest low of 15 minutes is greater than 15 minutes. So sorry, the 1 day ago 15 minutes, that is -15 minutes, and it should be a latest low. There is a 15 minutes low greater than -15 minutes close. So let me scan that. If any stocks where it is forms, I think something mistake we made. 15 minutes low is greater than, so let's do that. 15 minutes close is, this is one, the first red candle, and the second red candle. The 15 minutes high is less than the -1 15 minutes open. The latest 15 minutes low is greater than 15 minutes -1 15 minutes close, right? So we didn't get any scan, so let's do it again. created on daily, and 15 minutes, it's -1. The -1, the latest 15 minutes current candle, and 15 minutes -1 candle. 15 minutes, and then here 15 minutes -1 candle. This should be equal to latest low. Here 15 minutes -1, 15 minutes equal to latest low. Scan. Now it is working. And we find out some stock which is forming right now. That is today. It's currently forming UPL. Let's check UPL. What happened? UPL future 10 minutes time frame. This is not a good. I think this kind of candlesticks pattern is not getting on intraday basis. Okay, so that is better. So daily only we can use. That was Oming PGN, that was giving working good, and that whenever we focus this, that will give you such a great kind of reversal pattern. That is Oming PGN. This is what bearish kind of, sorry, bullish kind of reversal pattern, where if it is forms a day low or a day high, so that will give you such a great intraday positional opportunities, right? So intraday we didn't find a lot more stock. Let's go for equity. So Nifty 500. Let's check any stocks which forms. I think few stocks only we got from this kind of candle. 24 August 9:15. So this was 9:15. Don't go for that 9:15. This one happening by 1 o'clock. This is not a good stock, so leave it. This strategy is not for a intraday, so we will use for this strategy for a positional. That will work some better idea and better. And thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends, and if you have any question, just comment on the comment box. Thank you so much.